Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. So your girl has been doing a lot these past 2 weeks and I am ready to jump back into my YouTube and really create content that I'm proud about and that you guys want to see. If there's anything that you would like to see from me, a new makeup product, a new skincare product, let me know because I'm ready to get back to the grind. And I've been in a little rut about what the hell, what video should I do? I've really been in that place where I'm like, I don't even know what to review. But yeah, that's not gonna last for too long because I'm moving and a lot of good things are happening in my life. So I feel like that is only going to transfer to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for all my new subscribers. If you're new here, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Oh God. So we're gonna jump into this video. I'm just gonna show you some new skincare products that I've been trying and just chit chat a little bit with you. And I'm also gonna show you how I created this very simple makeup look. This is like an everyday look for me. Don't forget to put your bell on for notifications, and you can follow me on my social media platforms. They will be in the description box below, and at the end of the video I also put them up on the screen. Alright, so let's jump into the video. So the first product I have is from Dr. Brandt, and it is the Pores No More vacuum cleaner. So I am not even gonna use this today. I've been trying it and I honestly don't like it. I don't think it did anything for my pores, so I would not recommend this product. I have a friend though who loves it, so I mean, to each its own, I guess. I don't like the smell of it, that's number one, and I don't think it did anything for my pores. So I have little pores, very small pores, like on my cheek, around my mouth area, which you can't see on my camera because it's not the best, like super HD. So that was one thing. One time I used it all over my face. It tingled a little bit. My skin wasn't dry after using it, so that was good, but it wasn't like super smooth either. I'm not a believer in this. But I have another product from Dr. Brandt that I think I actually really do like, which is the Luminizer Primer. And I wore this one day with no makeup and my skin looks so smooth and like so radiant. So I am going to be using this product today. But I received both of them from Dr. Brandt. The vacuum cleaner mask is actually $42 for 1 fluid ounce. And yeah, I would not repurchase this. For the primer is $38 for 1 fluid ounce. I think you get a good bit of product in here. I have to use it some more. Summer is coming up. Let's see what it says in the summertime. I do have oily skin, so usually I like to use mattifying primer most of the time, but I haven't used this under my makeup, so let's see what it will do to my foundation and my concealer. So stay tuned for more videos and I'll give you guys an update on this. We're just gonna jump in to the rest of my skincare routine, and I received this beautiful package from Caudalie, and I have shown these products, well, some of them on my channel before, but I just love that Caudalie has these like gift sets, value sets, where you could try their products out and see what you love. So this one was actually done for Earth Month. It came with a really cute tote. This is it right here. It says Totes Natural, and then you have the Caudalie sign right there. It's like full of stuff because I already use it. So this came with the Vino Source Moisturizing Sorbet, the Vino Perfect Radiant Serum, the Beauty Elixir, Premier Crew, which is an eye cream, and it also came with a micellar cleansing water. So the only thing I'm not going to use in this video is the cleansing water because our face is already clean. But today I'm just going to start off with the Radiant Serum. What I've been noticing is that when I use the Beauty Elixir and the Radiant Serum in tangent, I tend to get a little bit more oily than I usually would. So I've been kind of holding off on using these two together. Plus I will be using the Pores No More Luminizing Primer. So I thought, okay, I'm just going to use one or the other today. And then I'm going to go in with Premier Crew Eye Cream. I actually really like this eye cream, y'all, but it is $99 for 0.5 ounces. Yeah, so it's like up there with the luxury. You know, I feel like most of Caudalie's products are very, let me see, are priced in the mid-range. But I think that they put a lot of science and a lot of research and a lot of good ingredients in their products. So it's worth it. But at this very moment, spending $99 on the eye cream is really not in my budget, but I do like it though. So if you're looking for a luxury eye cream, I would say definitely try Premier Crew. And then of course, Source moisturizing sorbet. Love this stuff as well. This is my second sample of this, and I feel like I'm definitely going to purchase the full size. Okay, so now that that is done, I am going to use the primer. So this is the luminizing primer. Let's see what claims. It says it gives a natural look, backlight glow, revives dull complexions, helps refine the look of pores. So it looks like this, and that's how much I'm gonna put. I think I just wanna put it like on my forehead, you know, on my mouth area right here. This is where I usually get pores, on my cheeks. And I'm gonna put some all over my nose as well. This product also feels quite cooling. Yeah, I didn't realize that before, but it feels very cooling. And as you rub, it just blends right into your skin, right? So you could definitely wear this without makeup, like I've done that before, and it worked really well. My skin stayed super like smooth and soft throughout the day. That is my skin prep, and now I want to tell you guys about some lip products that I received from Fresh. So I've been raving about Bite Beauty, and I do love Bite Beauty, but another lip care brand that I absolutely love is Fresh. All right, so I have the Fresh Sugar Lemon and I have the Fresh Sugar Peach. Now these balms lock in moisture for soft, supple, healthy looking lips. The rich, cushiony formula coats lips with a protective veil that smooths and comforts on contact while delivering a velvety sheen and addictive flavor inspired by lemon meringue and peaches and cream. So you just need to apply throughout the day as needed. Now I used the original to this before, and what I can say is that this version is a little thinner than the original, but it's still as good. So I'm using the peach one. Wow, I don't usually like peach scented stuff, but this is not too strong where it's like overpowering. So that's good. And I've tried the lemon. I absolutely love the lemon. I would recommend these lip balms to everyone because I really like how they make my lips feel, and they keep them moisturized for a long time too. That's another thing that I like about Fresh Beauty. So it has sugar, it has apricot kernel oil, it has black currant seed oil, grapeseed oil, and vitamin E to help protect your lips. So I'm all about the protection, and it retails for $36. The bundle of the two retails for $36. I was just about to say hello, $36 for one lip balm. But okay, two of them at $36. I like that price. Alright y'all, so brows are done, and I'm just gonna be using my Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette. When last have you seen this? It's been a million years. And I'm gonna do a really basic eye. I'm just taking Taza all over my lids with a very big fluffy brush. I think I got this from, oh, it's actually a Ruby Kisses brush. I got it from a beauty supply store. And then I'm gonna go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Shadow Couture palette with this color right here. This one is called Morocco, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges. The shadow look is super easy. Blend out those edges. This color is similar to my skin, so that's why I'm using it to blend out the edges. And I'm gonna go in with Better Than Sex Mascara. And then today I'm gonna be using some lashes that I got from a black owned brand from right here in Maryland. It's called CB Lash Studio. And these lashes are called Jackie. And I am obsessed, y'all, with these lashes. They are super cute. I'm gonna put the link in the bio to the website where you can purchase. I know the owner of this brand personally, Stephanie. The whole concept behind her brand is to highlight inner beauty and outer beauty. And on all of her packaging, she has a beautiful scripture in the back along with her social media. So I would definitely say, if you're looking to support female-owned business, a Black-owned business, a Maryland-based business, definitely give Stephanie's lashes a try. Also, she does individual lashes, I believe, mink. So yeah, the girl is popping. So then for my brow bone, I'm gonna use Aziza from the same Saharan palette. You'll know I like a highlighted brow bone. I'm only gonna put a little bit though, because I don't want it to be too crazy, right? This look is just like 3 eyeshadows, so you don't want to go overboard with the brow bone highlight. I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty foundation. So I mixed 2 concealers. I mixed Fenty Beauty 400 and Fenty Beauty 450. Then I'm gonna go in with Mocha Mami. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I've been MIA. I know, I'm so sorry, but your girl is back. These skincare items I've been loving. Caudalie, oh my gosh, that's my daytime routine. I have been really enjoying Caudalie skincare, and I think that my skin has really just been great. No breakouts really. Yeah, I just feel like so refreshed and, you know, so glowy once I'm finished doing my daytime routine, and that is exactly what I love. I will say that I really do like the Dr. Brandt. Let me show you guys one more time. I really like this primer. This is my first time using it with foundation. So in the description box below, I'll let you guys know if it made me super oily or not, because that's the only thing I'm really worried about. But I think that it gives me such a smooth base, right? And then to put my makeup on over it, it just glided on like butter. And yes, we did use the Shayna B Miami sponge. Y'all, I haven't used a sponge to put on my foundation in so long because I've been lazy. I didn't want to clean my sponges. I even thought to go and buy some new ones. That's how lazy I've been. But I finally, you know, washed them. So yeah, I was able to use a sponge and I miss it so much. I'm definitely going to wash the rest of mine so that I could use them, because I really like to do my foundation with a sponge. And yeah, these lashes, y'all. Are y'all seeing what is going on my eye here? Let me just zoom in. These lashes are everything. What I like about them is that they're very long. Like, I have a long lid and I like lashes that come from the end to the end. And that's what these are doing. Ooh, they're so sultry, so fluttery and flirty. I'm really, really enjoying them. But yeah, without further ado, thank you so much for watching this video. You know you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's Beat on Instagram and The Beat Inc. on Facebook. Thank you so much for working with your girl. Don't forget to subscribe, put your bell on for notifications, all those good stuff. And stay tuned for more videos to come. Have a great night, guys. Bye.